How to allow message request on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to allow message request on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as message and story replies. And after that, on the new section, simply tap on the option labeled as message request. And now here on the new section, you see different options. From here, you can see the option labeled as allow access to messages. So here, if this option is toggled off, simply toggle on this option. And here on the upper side, you can see the two options under who can send you a message request. So here, simply select that option and choose message request. And that's it. That's how you can allow message request on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.